Hey, hey, what's going on, Libra? All of my positive and high vibrational Libras out here. It's Jen, catching you on DTWJLife. Welcome to Leo season. Okay, this is a point where we figure out exactly where we're taking leadership roles in either other people's lives or our own lives, mostly our own lives, because without, what we have nothing to give, right? Okay. Coming up at the bottom of the deck, I'm really happy to see this, okay? This is awesome. You have Sun of Fire upright. This denotes healthy desires, healthy creative desires. Definitely a point of creative maturity as well. So if you're working on a project that is of a creative nature, it is maturing toward the right direction. You have North Node here supporting Uranus energy. Definitely look up the planet Uranus and its properties. That may help to guide you a little bit further. It seems to be coming up for the general readings that I'm doing today. Today is July the 15th. Yeah, I'm doing these before Leo season starts, only because I'm already picking up the energy. I really like the first card. Oh, I love it. Yes, okay. Definitely. Oh! This is about a creative project, or an entrepreneurial project. Either one. Maybe both. Libra, guys, this is about you because you've been working so hard on balancing things out in your personal and professional lives that things are beginning to come to fruition. What you're looking at right here is creative problem solving, Mother of Fire upright. Excuse me, air within fire. Yeah, anything that you are looking to manifest in the material and the pragmatic world is definitely happen through creativity, through desire, okay? Things like that are definitely popping up for you. Anything that is not meant to remain in your path is going to be removed because you have Pluto retrograding, meeting up with North Node energy. North Node energy is in Cancer. Pluto's retrograding right now. So anything that you are looking to manifest for the best will happen. And anything that is meant to be removed will be removed naturally. You also have the symbol of the door here, which means that doors are opening. Whoa. How awesome. For those of you who are practitioners of the arts, okay, different type of art, you know what that means. You know what that's talking about right there. I'm going with the natural light, so if it gets weird, I'm sorry about that. Hold on a second. I'm trying really hard to work with it, man. I am. Okay. Second card coming up is Sun of Water, which denotes emotional maturity. You're getting to know parts of your emotional self that are most beneficial to you and the things that you are working on in your life. I love it because you have North Node and North Node action happening. There's something that you're reconciling within yourself, giving peace to, emotional peace to, so that you're able to better create from that space. Look at that, man. The lunar energy is supporting fire here, the fiery aspect of your life, which is creative energy, creation, creativity. If you have any doubts about something that you have been passionate about, it would wake you in the middle of the night, do not have those doubts. Please fight through those, because the Neptune retrograde has a way of psychologically messing with you and having you kind of second guess the psychological space in which you come from. Don't worry about it, because you have both types of emotional energy supporting the things that you were looking to do. You have fiery energy and water energy here. Pragmatic energy that you could definitely rely on is the fact that you are planting a seed. For sure you are. Whether that's embedded in your mind at the moment or you're starting to push it out into the world, it is showing up within your work. No matter what it is that you do for a living, right? That thing that you have within you that you really want to bring out is coming out through your work already. So it's like you see signs of it and you're like, so this is what I should be doing on the side. This is what I should start on. Yeah, it's showing up, guys. It really is. I love it. Hold on, let me just gather these cards if I can. I got small hands here. God, laugh at me. Oh, God. Yeah, I got my beautiful bracelet on. Yeah, that's my sun sign. I'm a Cancer. My birthday recently passed. Thank you. Coming up at the bottom of the deck at the moment is like a lack of victory or lack of ambition that you want to look at before pressing ahead. This says, I'm compassionate and I'm cruel. I'm the one who's praised and the one despised. This is the card of Sagittarius, which Jupiter definitely rules over in a way. In a very huge way, and Jupiter is retrograding, forcing us all to look at our pragmatics, also changing status quo. So it may be a thing that what you bring into the side as a side hustle may start to become your main gig, okay? That is a possibility. There is potential for that. If that's not happening right away, don't rush it. Don't push it. Oh, I like it. I'm kind of jealous of you guys. Okay, anyway. First card coming up in the second spread is Desert Upright. Yeah. Okay. You have your planet here, Venus, which usually butts heads with Jupiter. But this is actually good. This is beautiful right here, what's happening. It is. Because you're working on expanding something. You're growing on it. Instead of collecting information about it because you have all that you need, you're pretty much growing it, whether you're doing it outward or you're doing it behind the scenes. This is what you're doing. Second card coming up is Eon and Synthesis Upright. You're reaching the next level of self-mastery in this area of your life, which is the creative area of your life, entrepreneurial area of your life. You're really putting the pedal to the metal here, coming in 21-fold, man. You're bumping that up a notch. Good job and congratulations. You're ascending, rising to the occasion, and working with midheaven energy in order to kind of draw it down onto the earth. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you are. Third card coming up in this spread, we got Thunder Upright. Now this denotes one of two things, or both. You're either being noisy about it, or this is a symbol of affluence that you're looking at. This very thing that you're embarking on is going to make you a lot more affluent than you would ever think it would. Like, where you had doubt in it, you're being shown reasons why it will work. Whether you're watching somebody else's story unfold and how they become successful, or you're reading about it, either way, your mind is changing its dials and tuning into affluence. Where, like, you used to think in lack, now you're thinking in affluence. Now you're understanding how to do it. And it's awesome. Yeah. And if you feel like making noise about it, go for it, man. Just make sure that you make noise about it once you know for sure you're at this point, okay? You do have bragging rights, absolutely. I like it. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. I'm jealous. This is how you're taking a leadership role in Leo season, and this is what Leo season is telling you right now. This is how you're taking a leadership role in your life as it stands. This is a general reading, though. So do keep that in mind. Yeah. Okay. We have a lot of retrogrades going on at the same time. Jupiter, Pluto, Chiron, and Neptune. So, alright. Gotta put it there. First card coming up is Forest Inverted. All that which you are trying to manifest is not coming full circle yet. Be patient. Because there are certain things that the Pluto retrograde is kind of extricating from your life in order for you to reconcile some type of difference with yourself or another. Yeah. It is happening. Next card coming up is Trickster and Confidence Upright, which denotes alchemy. Okay, this is the trickster part, which is usually Gemini energy, but you're kind of borrowing that energy a little bit, making it yours. You're changing the way that you communicate. You're ascending the way that you communicate. This says, I'm knowledge and I'm ignorance, I'm falsehood and I'm truth. Take that one as you will. Perhaps you've been communicating in falsehood in the past or recent past, like having a lack mindset, communicating from that space. That is a falsehood. And now you're dialed into affluence and you're ascending how you communicate. That's really awesome right there. I believe that plant inverted coincides with forest inverted here. The reason why you are not coming, things are not coming full circle yet. There's something about the Uranus energy within this time span that you need to pay attention to. It is direct, it's not retrograde. It may be your saving grace. There's something that you need to see. So definitely look into that. Last card coming up, clarifying plant inverted. Fate and change upright. This is a change that's happening that's not inside of your control. Whatever Pluto is removing from your life, just gracefully accept it and say thank you. Okay, have that attitude of gratitude about it, man, because this is going to help to propel you forward. This says, I'm controlling the uncontrollable. Do not be ignorant of me. Be on your guard. That which used to remain uncontrollable within yourself, your astral energy, your body, yourself entirely, your spirit, your soul, well, you're going to have to face it. It's either going to be removed within the process of coming into full circle, or it's going to be something that you have to look at yourself and decide whether or not it's something that you want to hold on to. Can you balance it out? Can you tame it? If not, then you have to let it go too, because it may be a detriment in the now and in the future. I'm hoping that's not the case, but that's what the cards are telling me, so I have to listen. Guys, I really enjoyed doing this reading for you. I hope it has been of some assistance. Instead of offering my readings $40 for half an hour and $70 for a full hour, what I would like to do is invite you to check out the offer that I have in the description of this video. It is the first tier. You're going to be on my Patreon page, and from there, look at the first tier. Not only do I offer what I offer there, but it's also a safe haven for those who are students and practitioners of the craft, as well as people, those of you who are looking to become students of the craft. I am getting back into teaching, and this is definitely a community for that. It's safe, it's private. Anything discussed therein stays there. What is discussed in the circle stays in the circle. That's how it goes, and that's how it flows. Also, every single month that you are with me, you get a personal reading. Whether you ask me questions or not, you get a personal reading every single month that you're with me for continued guidance on your path. Yeah, absolutely. So guys, thank you so much for watching me. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you haven't, hit the notification bell. Because apart from the periodicals, which are my general readings, I have other content coming out. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be delicious and auspicious, darling. Yes, it is. Promise you guys, it's gonna be awesome. I'm so excited for everything that I'm going to be rolling out for you on the back end and the front end. Thank you so much for viewing me. Until the next time, take care of yourselves and blessed be.